What's up guys? There's a bird trapped up here in one of the rooms in Seaview, and as the animal lover I am, I'm gonna go catch it and set her free. So let's go catch this pigeon. Let it land. Come on. Yeah. Bitten by you. Come on, Pidgey.
Fuck, it wants to go me, doesn't it?
Come on, cooperate. Come on. You made a loud noise.
Huh.
Come on.
It's just getting worked out.
It's alright, just stay calm. Okay guys, catching a wild pigeon and setting it free. This is amazing. Just move back. It's okay. It's okay.
Nope.
Oh, it's alright, it's alright. I took once, I can do it again.
Should I keep... Oh.
Crikey guys, trying to catch this mighty beast to set it loose.
Oh, God.
It's alright. It knows I'm not going to hurt it now.
There's... No.
I do it without looking at its eyes.
It's a pigeon. They're pretty stupid.
They're not. It's not afraid.
No, it's not afraid of us.
Like
It's...
it's just, come on. It's just been through a hell of an ordeal.
Go that way, bro. No,
Oh,
you're going the wrong way, mate. We're going to have to hurt it like a cow.
no.
Got it? The bird.
Yeah.
Now.
Trudy the animal lover. Yeah. It's off. Look at that, guys. Be free. Yeah, why isn't it like walk? Why isn't it fly away? You going to fly away, or you're a bit stressed out? I can't believe it let me do that. I can't believe it let me do that. You okay, birdie? Yep, no, you're alright. Pretty sure that was a thank you. There it goes. Off to do its thing. Crazy. I'm going to check on it before I leave. Well guys, catching a wild pigeon and setting it free. That was really cool. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified of my newest uploads. Until then, hope you have a good one. I'll go check on this pigeon before I leave. So yeah, make sure that it's actually okay. So yeah, see you guys.